It's a new 2026 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and twin turbo V6 engine. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.